Okay. I know I said on my other channel I'm coming back on June, but this is only one time because well, you gotta see this. On May 4th at 3 p.m. there is a Volcano event and an Unvalting event. And what that is, let me just put a little bit here. What it is that people can vote for items to come back, such as the Tommy gun, the tactical submachine gun, planes, the Infinity Blade, whatever that is. And well, it also sparked another event. There's two events in one night, and this is very, very good. Alright, just get... Alright, OBS is recording.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm running. Dip. No, please don't kill me, please.
God,
don't
hopefully
please.
no shooty.
Oh
Spaghetti,
my God,
no
I got killed
shooty.
by a bush.
No, someone shot a got.
1 minute.
Someone is shooting a got.
Less than 60 seconds. We should all be invincible now.
God. Stop getting a got. Everyone's just covering it, but I can still see it.
No, don't kill me.
Alright, someone please don't kill me.
In 30 seconds. How are we not invincible yet?
Oh shit. Oh good. Shadow bomb.
Oh my God.
Hey, someone's stealing the best spot in the house. Someone's stealing my knife.
1 minute exactly.
Yes. No, not the wall. Yes, no one has a weapon.
We are now all invincible.
Yes.
Nobody can shoot. Right?
Oh, I found another place. As
you can see, your inventory and your health has grown.
Alright. 30 seconds.
30 seconds, boys!
Yes! This is just like New Year's
30
Eve.
seconds,
What is this
Hunter!
guy doing? What is this guy doing? Alright, this doesn't matter. People are going at the front. Well, I'm getting an air shot. Why am I hearing airs? Why am I hearing horns?
No.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
It's happening.
Wait, nothing's happening. Oh my God! This is amazing.
Oh, it's opening up.
Whoa, what is happening?
What is happening?
What is happening?
It's opening up. I'm going in.
Jesus. Wait, we go in?
Yeah, go in. What is
okay.
this?
What is this? I am gliding down. This is the most intense thing. Whoa. What is this? What is this? What is this? Are you desk? Why is there a desk?
I don't know why there's a desk.
Why are you focused on the desk? What about the orb?
You can't go like in the orb or anything.
Yeah. Why are you not concerned about the orb?
Oh, I am. Oh, wait a second.
I mean, you're focusing on the disc.
Vote for the drum gun. Vote for the drum gun. Oh, wait. Start pickaxing the drum gun. Start pickaxing the drum gun.
No, I'm pickaxing. No, I'm pickaxing this. I'm pickaxing the sword.
Alright. Whatever you want to return. Pickaxe.
I want to return this.
Why do you want the sword to return?
Because... Wait. What else is there to return? Oh, they got rid of the grappler. Oh, okay. Oh, I never used it. Oh, I never used this. I want this to return.
What?
The thing next to the drum gun? I don't know what it is, but I feel like I never used
That,
it.
like...
Oh wait,
that's
yeah, I
called the
used it.
tactical
Yeah.
SMG.
I
That's
can
called the
use it.
tactical
I can use it in the creative. Wait, we can use all these in creative.
Yeah. So for everyone wants the drum gun.
Oh god.
I'm in the event!
Oh my god. I never knew this would happen.
I know. So far, most people are voting for the drum gun. Oh, so far, most people are voting for the drum gun.
Dude. I wonder why. I feel like this is like irrelevant to the story for some reason.
No, it's not. It's not.
But it feels irrelevant.
So as you can see, they're pretty much. It's pretty much a poll. The bar is filling up. The first one to fill up returns.
Vote drum gun for president.
Exactly.
2020 president. Oh yes.
The drum gun is returning.
Vote drum gun for president.
Yeah.
Dude.
That orb is exploding.
I feel like we're all going. I feel like we're all going to have it. We are all going to have it. I'm floating up into the heavens.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Do we have it?
Did we get it?
What is this?
Whoa! I still have nothing in my inventory.
Yeah, I know. So do I. Why are we all going? Oh.
Dude, it's erupting!
The volcano's erupting!
Oh my god!
Dude!
Oh my god! This is insane! Oh my god!
Say your last goodbyes and Sultan and Retail!
Dude! Bye bye! No! Not the ice region!
What?
Gee! Not the ice region! Alright, here we go. Say goodbye to the most sweatiest place on earth. Yeah. Tilted.
Oh, there it goes.
Bye-bye! Oh my god! Yes! Dude, this is so amazing!
You know what you're up.
I just didn't know it would kill most favorite places. But we don't get it. Dude, everything is still dark, and it's still erupting. Okay, that was relevant to the story, but I don't think the vault was relevant.
It wasn't.
Hey guys, this is the aftermath of the Volcano event and the Unvalting event. Alright. Oh yeah, that's right. Alright. Here we go. it does stay like this. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, there's one thing is unvaulted. No. Oh, it's just oxygen. Okay, I see everything. It's going. Alright, now let's go to Tilted. Alright, hey everyone. The whole volcano is still active. Okay, now let's see what we have. Alright, there's lava there. Whoa. No, no! Oh no! Oh my god! Let's see. Oh, this was awesome. Dang it! Okay, so we saw everything fast. Alright.